I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, yeah, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Say happy Mother's Day to me, guys. Like, share, comment and subscribe. We're on to the next video. We're getting to the beach. Amoya?
Yeah. Yeah, in a jacuzzi.
Yeah, jacuzzi?
Yeah, up there.
Look at Faye hiding. Amelia.
Oh, hello. Hello, guys.
We're downtown Las Olas.
Watch them go around the light now.
No, they can't run the light. The light already red. Guys, tell me if you like the quality of the video. Let me know in the comment section, because I'm telling you, this quality is booming.
Yes.
Yeah, they're looking out.
Just put on me a while ago.
Remember, I'm traveling with him, I don't know me. I go, him post every light to her. God, no, they can't watch that freaking. Yes, yes, so you feel good. Look like one, we're in a way around.
So we are at the beach. There's a lot of people over here, guys. Look. Oh my God. Hold on, hand, Moya. Mila. There's a lot of breeze down here, though. Yeah, but look how you see her look rough.
Mommy! Mommy! The wind is blowing off my beads.
Right?
Yeah, this is my beads.
Awesome.
Stop blowing my beads! Mom, that's not beads.
Are them that? Yeah, that's her. Awesome. So make them so far from Ipsy. Not going in the water as yet. Fix it properly. Fix the butt properly. Where things are going for the beach. Yes. People, jerk pork, corn pork. That's something I can't bother with it. With the music, I don't want no copyright. Maya! Maya, go and chat to people. Maya! Guys, the sun dirty. I don't like the sun here at all. The sun is so dirty. Hey, don't run away. I'm on Millie, hold her hand because I don't want she run in the water. There's a lot of people down here today. What heap of people there out here today, guys? But it's sea rough. And it's so windy. Come, Amelia. Hey, this way. Look at this dog. Ooh, look at the people them over so. The whole beach full, you know? Come. Hey, don't go too far in the water. You're just gonna be at the shore. Milia, come this way.
Y'all go to the pool? Yeah.
Listen, we're gonna stay at the shore, okay? We're not going all the way out because the water is bad. So we're gonna stay here, okay? Hey! I said come back here, sir. Huh? Yeah, I don't want to go all the way out there. The water is so, you see water rough. I don't want you here, not even here, because tomorrow is school. Come, baby, come.
Mommy, I want my pants.
That's fine, baby. Amelia, just to give me. Jamal. Jamal, Amaya, come this way, because I'm not going out there. Hey! It's already wet, Baba. It's already wet. But let's give it to me. Honestly, I want to do some more videos, but they're playing a lot of music over there by where we're chilling. They do this every Mother's Day. They have something down here by the beach. But I really want to do a video, you know, but the music is gonna mess up everything. So I'm just gonna put 1 and 2 clips in here and there. It's a good vibe down here. A lot of people, you know, hanging out with their families and stuff. Good vibe, good vibe, good vibe, good vibe. Hey. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Baba, come. Let's go. Come on. Be a vibe down here by the beach. She come from it too? Yes. Eh? She go on it and then she come off back. Yeah. And she walk back to the black bus. So I don't know the driveway. Which one Miss Alexander go on? Mostly the black, the black. Miss Alexander. You don't know who Miss Alexander is?
I know who that is, I just don't remember.
She's supposed to go from Fear Bus.
Oh, my father. Oh, her. Yeah, she's a 6th grade.
Eh? Oh, they have pork. They have pork in their pot. The breeze will blow it up.
I'm going to get Angela trouble tonight.
That is it. Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pepsi. Yeah, right here.
Alright.
Who want Pepsi?
Yeah?
Got Pepsi.
You got a Pepsi, good job. Warren. Where? You want some food, man? They're going to piece of that pork then, huh? That's why I can't have a plate and not use it up. She want to if she's on live.
Jamal, come here.
You're on live now, you know?
Jamal?
So we're going to have the salad too.
Not chicken.
Check out the salad now, make them. Yeah?
Whoa! Jeez Louise!
Alright, go on.
War!
Yeah, eat. Eat, yeah, mommy, eat that. No touch. Chicken.
What's this?
I have salad.
Jerk chicken.
Just in the...
Amelia, you want a piece of jerk chicken?
I guess I got cut up. I get I'm gonna tell you. Another one to get.
This is sheep.
Royal Caribbean.
Huh?
Royal Caribbean.
Yeah.
Amelia,
There.
you don't want? Here.
Yeah, man.
Where from?
Your 10 finger.
Buy some ice there. Some money in the fan box, you know.
There's some ice, please.
I want to what do with the kitchen? Well, listen.
Let me share something now.
I'm not sure should I put this.
There's a trash can over there.
Who's this?
Let me tell you one.
That's yours? I think you need to put this on over this. So that's when they move up in the chicken, they put this on. How did they over here? Plus, nice garbage for me.
Somebody moving, man. I don't know who moving, you know.
Can I get a what?
Wait. Guys,
That sound like that.
Mom,
So loud. Yes, Moya.
well, since she gave me one money.
Who? Oh,
Yeah.
Mila have it.
No, because I took it, and Milo just wanted it so bad.
Cause
Can I
she
have
wanna
it?
put it down for her. That's why she wanna do it. Do it to it.
She just wanted it.
She don't want it for
Who's
herself.
hosting the party?
They
Who's
were
hosting the
just
party?
having a little party for Mother's Day. They were just cooking jerk chicken and pork and.
I did that for you.
Huh?
I did that for Mommy. It's Happy Mother's Day.
I know.
You forgot.
No,
I didn't know
no,
that.
baby.
Happy
you get?
Mother's Day, Mommy.
Thank
Get this-
you.
That's like, what the hell is that?
Fast Life Auto
You
Club.
just noticed.
They took a picture.
Yeah.
No.
Getting work for her since I gave her cards.
What?
Cards?
Cards. What cards?
So Moya walk and pick up some seashell and she sell them. So she said, "Mommy, I'm selling seashell
Wait,
$1
wait,
for
how you
one."
find that dollar?
So a lady was saying, "You selling seashell?" So she said, "Yes." So the lady said, "How much you selling it for?" She said, $1. So the lady buy one.
You bought
Some
one?
black lady or a white lady?
A white
Black
lady.
lady.
That's kind of never mind.
You just want to know which one bought it.
She just bought it.
She gave me money.
Yes, baby.
And she took it?
You sold her
Yeah.
one. She sold her
Nah.
a seashell for $1.
Nah, shit like you crazy. No wonder.
Guys, come on, quick.
Just go.
Green light.
That costs like $10 for one. 2 is for $15. Makes sense.
Come on, stop making noise.
Who's behind me?
Me.
Ezra.
I mean, Faith.
You sick?
Faith.
Faith?
Faith, Mila, Noya, and me. Hey.
Oh my God, what was that? Jamal, look at my cut. Right there.
Oh, that hurts so bad.
This is the third KFC I've seen.
And I just
You know how long I haven't eaten KFC?
Oh, that was a long time I didn't eat.
We've only been getting Popeyes, right?
Jeez
Yeah.
Louise.
The only thing we keep having is... Yeah, you're right.
I got
Keep having
shisha.
Popeyes.
Do you want a shisha?
I got tired of it.
I
You
like.
still have that?
Huh?
Nah. I didn't say nothing. Wait, how you still have the cheese?
Huh?
How you still have the cheese?
Yeah, that used to be a store right here.
Shisha?
A lot of
How
stores
you still
closed
have
down.
it?
Oh, it's really.
I don't know.
I still remember that day.
Mommy
I
said
drove
yes,
past here and there was
so
a
I
bunch
can
of
keep
exotic
them.
cars. They got rid of it.
Mommy,
Yeah.
you said yes.
About what?
That keeping the seashells.
Yeah, you could keep a seashell.
Yeah. See, I told you.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Where's this taking me?
And I got the cover.
Taking us
too.
home.
Yeah, but I don't remember going
Oh, there's
on
a school right
I-95.
here.
It always
Where?
shows that,
Right here.
but we're not going there.
That's a big amount. A
Seriously.
long one.
I guess it's just a drive.
We're gonna go over it.
We're going over it or?
Mommy,
We're gonna go straight across.
Mommy,
Yes?
my school is too far.
Of course, it
Of
catch me.
course, bro. Why are you close to the school? Like,
I drove past here every day.
Bro, you drove past here every day.
Yeah.
Right, super here.
Yeah.
5 hours
We're
here.
gonna go straight down.
Mommy, we're
Hmm?
going straight down. It's going to be too scary.
This is not roller coaster, right? I feel like
Mommy?
this is roller coaster.
Hmm?
I want to go to Wicked Witch.
Oh, what? What?
Wicked Witch.
What
I
is
see
that?
Rose. What's that? Wait, what is that?
That's from Alphabet Blender.
That's a movie?
Yeah,
It's a move. Oh.
it's so cool, but it's only for girls.
Okay.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah, so I can be in the Wicked Witch.
I don't know.
You notice how these light works?
Hmm?
The lights.
Yeah, I know how to work.
Like and subscribe if you want the end.
Right? Tell them to like and subscribe again.
Like and subscribe if you want the end.
Cool. Like
What are you?
subscribe.
Oh my god.
Stop the cat.
What?
She said stop the cap.
Where she learn those stuff from?
Yeah.
Tra-la, tra-la.
Jesus.
She gave brain
I
rot.
say we take away the phones.
Right?
It's brain. She gave the brain rot, bro.
Mapito crocodile.
No, Moya, no.
Tung, 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 sahur.
Okay, Moya, don't keep saying it.
Capu, cappuccino, assassino.
Oh my god, please.
What am I gonna do with my 5-year-old?
Ballerina cappuccino.
See, brain rot. Yeah. Whitney, you.
Okay,
I feel bad
Moya.
for you, Whitney.
Okay, Moya. Shush.
Here's what I don't. Here's what I don't like.
Okay.
Yeah,
This is
bro.
Martha Luther MLK Drive.
Mm-hmm. A lot of lights.
Not even that.
What?
Got KFC right here.
a KFC.
Can we go all the way down there and turn right?
I drove
Turn
past her every day.
We
If
got
you
another
reach-
KFC. Why are they
I got a
so close to each
seashell.
other?
And guess
Well,
what?
she
They're
should
in the
Want to eat
ghetto.
some, bro.
Yes, that's.
I
Angela,
found them
look
on the
at-
beach.
Hey, hey.
Angela, you just
Can I
want
just
some.
cut through there?
They're talking at once. Hmm?
Can I just cut through there?
I got my
Oh,
seashell.
sure.
Look at your Angela. You just want some KFC. Okay, Maya, you.
Hey, Jamal, what grade are you in?
Fifth,
Jamal going to middle school soon.
How old are you, Jamal?
11.
You're not 11. You're 10.
I'm 11. Maya, you don't even know my.
You're 10.
I'm 11. You don't know when my birthday is?
I'm gonna turn 12.
Guys,
I'm gonna turn 12.
well, I'm going to turn to 6, and I'll be 7, and I'll be 8, and I'll be 9, I'll be 10.
That will take you more than 3.
Yeah.
Hold
When
on,
I age up.
hold on. You're 5 years old.
Yeah.
25, 26, 26, 27, 28. She gonna be 9 years old in 2027. That's what I'm gonna say.
No, I'll be 21 since I've grown up.
But I don't understand about you. That will be.
Yeah, boy, you know what time it is? You heard? You heard what she said?
What time is it, Moya?
No. Meaning, she said when she's 21, she's gonna be a grown up. You don't heard her?
Oh.
It's 61.
Moya, you be
41.
older, right, Moya?
It's 61 with 68.
68.
It's 61 to 68. Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
it's 61 with 68.
It's crazy that 50 didn't know that she was holy because 30 was crazy.
Yeah, I really know.
You got KFC
I really
right here.
know the time.
Yeah.
Moya.
Well, Andra, I really know the time.
Okay, Moya.
What time is it, Moya?
What time is it?
It's 6100.
No, Moya, it can't be. It's 10:04.
It's 10 on 4. It's 10.
It's 10:04.
It's 10:64.
It's 10:04, Moya.
Angel,
Oh.
it's 10:69.
Mm-hmm.
10:04. I'm like 10:04
I brought my seashells.
because it can't. Oh. Why you should bring the one I gave you.
What is it?
It was I gave you one.
See that?
I gave you one.
Scat pack?
Look at this man in
Is it
person.
chicken?
I get a chicken.
Yeah,
How you get chicken from?
from Africa.
Jesus.
How you get avocado?
My
She's
God.
not. She's not.
That's where I live.
She,
No.
Where you okay,
No.
Moya.
she
Yes,
is
you are.
something else.
You live from what? Okay, Angel, just tell her where she lived from. Angel, just
She
let her-
is something else.
She got it from YouTube. She got it from YouTube. They keep talking
I've been
about.
down here so many times. I've seen a lot of weird things.
It's just,
Mary,
bro, they
in
talking
this
about
area?
brain rotted, bro.
You're in the ghetto.
Oh, KFC's everywhere. I don't like Angel's rock.
I thought we had the ghetto, but no, this is a
Mm,
I like
times
KFC.
mhm.
Mommy, I like KFC.
You do?
Yeah. They got
Don't
with
say
chicken.
the
damn, bro.
What?
Boy, you just
That's empty.
you just
It looks
got me.
empty.
Everybody gone home.
What you mean?
Got me
I mean,
by
like
the water,
they're shutting us
sweating.
down.
Oh,
And this
they used to have the rides and stuff over there.
Yes.
Yeah, they people was. Oh no.
And the people
No, it's a lot.
sleeping, and they closed
I still remember the
their
time.
windows.
No thing.
The rider,
No.
the rider, or the
Oh,
ride
A
instructor.
lot.
Mhm.
Saw how excited I was to get on the ride.
Angel, you can see my friend's house.
When that ride was finished, he saw me crying.
Yeah.
Guys,
Uh,
Angel, you can see my friend's house.